let's take you to our big focus here on 6 p.m. Prime. India Today special investigation has found that there are chemists who are stockpiling life-saving drug against COVID-19, remdesivir, and making sure that the prices are only going up. Now, this is creating an artificial shortage, and these people, those who are stockpiling remdesivir, are taking away life of critical patient while by while. Take a look at this special investigation by India Today.
Remdesivir is one of the medical protocol which is being examined world over.
And it was a randomized placebo-controlled trial.
It seems to reduce the duration of hospitalization, so perhaps it's aiding in recovery.
The best hope as of now.
So what we need to do is to continue to study remdesivir to see at what stage of the disease it can be most useful.
This drug happens to be blocking an enzyme that the virus uses.
I'm pleased to announce that Gilead now has an EUA from the FDA for remdesivir. It's really a very promising situation.
Remdesivir, produced by America's Gilead Sciences, has been shown to help critical COVID patients recover faster from the disease. But those who need it to keep them alive may not be able to afford it. An India Today investigation has found how sharks in the pharma supply chains are black marketing the medication by obscene amounts. Our investigation begins at this medical store near a prominent private hospital in South Delhi.
Remdesivir चाहिए था होगा?
Posing as attendants of a COVID patient, our undercover reporters inquired about a generic variant of remdesivir, officially priced at rupees 5,400 a vial in India. Remember, per government guidelines, the drug supplies are restricted. No over-the-counter sale is permitted. 6 vials are usually recommended for the most sick, hospitalized patients for over 5 days.
Remdesivir injection corona के लिए tablet.
But the vendor at the South Delhi pharmacy claimed to have stocked remdesivir, and he offered it at almost 9 times the market price.
But एक इंजेक्शन की एटलीस्ट आपको देनी पड़ेगी. रेमडेसिविर चाहिए था होगा?
ब्लैक में चल रहा है पैसा नहीं.
ब्लैक में कितने का मिल रहा?
45.
हाँ?
45.
4500 का?
45,000 भैया, 5400 रुपये MRP है.
अच्छा. कितने देर में मिल जाएगा?
1-1.5 घंटा भैया.
हाँ?
1 घंटा.
बिलिंग कितने की होगी फिर?
बिल नहीं है, पहले बताओ. बाद में आप फिर मेरे लिए लोचा करो. वो चीज़ें मैं नहीं चाहता.
पेमेंट कैसा करना होगा?
पेमेंट कैश होगी.
मतलब 45 के हिसाब से कितना हो गया 3 का?
45 4 12 135 हो गया.
1,35,000.
100 mg का है, एक इंजेक्शन 45 का.
We probed further.
रेमडेसिविर होगा?
At Delhi's Yusuf Sarai neighborhood, these pharma vendors confessed that remdesivir is being auctioned off on a daily basis. The highest bidder gets the supplies.
Last time 35,000 परसों की थी. रेमडेसिविर हेट्रो कंपनी की कोवी प्रोडक्ट.
35,000
एक पीस.
एक पीस. कितना प्रिंट है?
5,400. डेली रेट इसलिए बदलता है, जिस दिन डिमांड कम होती है उस दिन रेट डाउन हो जाता है. डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर के पास जितना बल्क और क्वांटिटी आ गई वो हिसाब से रेट निकाल देता है. गवर्नमेंट के लिए अप्रूव्ड है, गवर्नमेंट में जा नहीं रहे, बाहर ब्लैक हो रहे हैं. मैं साफ आपको बात बता रहा हूँ.
अब लिमिटेड स्टॉक है, 100 वाइल अगर आए अब वो 100 वाइल की जो है एक हिसाब से बोली लग जाती है. आपको ज़्यादा नीड है, आप कहोगे भैया ठीक है 5,000 के बदले तुम मेरे से 20,000 ले ले, मुझे दे दो, क्योंकि हर कोई अपना पेशेंट बचाना चाहता है. ऐसा नहीं है.
ये बोली कहाँ पर लगता है?
ये सर मार्केट में ही लग जाती है आपको. क्योंकि पीछे से रिक्वायरमेंट के अगेंस्ट होती है ना।
29,000 का बोल रहा है
एक फाइल।
अब आपको एक चाहिए, दो चाहिए, अपना 2 का डोज ले लो, काम चला लो सर।
This black marketing of COVID life-saving drugs is not limited to Delhi. In Mumbai's pharmacy hub of Dawa Bazaar, this medical vendor offered remdesivir for rupees 30,000 a vial.
टोटल कितना होता है?
318, 1,80,000। 1,80 फाइनल। हाँ, उसका फाइनल 6 वायल, वो कितना 100 mg है वो? हाँ हाँ, रेमडेसिविर 100 mg। हाँ हाँ, ये हेट्रोलैब वाले हैं। हाँ, हेट्रोलैब जी, ओरिजिनल रहेगा। हाँ हाँ, उसमें कुछ गड़बड़ नहीं।
Aware of remdesivir black marketing, the government has urged greater vigilance.
I get the information that there is a shortage of these two medicines in Mumbai and some medical stores. And I call a meeting about these distributors and companies, how to solve this problem and how to get the more medicine in Mumbai. I have a meeting with Home Minister Mr. Anil Deshmukh in Mantralaya, and FDA department and our FDA department and Home department jointly take the actions against who are the black marketing about this medicine. We take the action.
अभी तो जितना दे दो।
For now though, chronic oversight keeps fueling pharmaceutical greed, even during a global pandemic.
रेमडेसिविर चाहिए था, होगा?
A report by Mohammad Hezbollah, Milan Sharma and Divyesh Singh for India Today's Special Investigation Team.
आपको ये 1,000-2,000 का डिफरेंट है, 1,000 रुपए का मैक्सिमम आ सकता है।
Going across now to my colleague Milan, who is joining us with more details on this story. Milan, an eye-opener at a time when the government and agencies are struggling to ensure that the death rate is brought down as much as they can. A life-saving drug is being stockpiled by the vultures for profit, 10 times the price it is being sold in the market. Are we now going to see some action by the government?
Certainly, this is a desperate attempt by the patient's family.
Okay, there seems to be some problem in that audio line with Milan. We'll try and reconnect with her to get a sense of what now can be done. We have put out the investigation in public domain, and we are hoping that the government of Delhi and of course in Mumbai, there are in fact certain actions which are taken so that people, those who are stockpiling a life-saving drug like remdesivir can in fact be brought to book.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.